The verb dormir, which is to sleep in Spanish, also is an IR verb that stem changes in the present tense. If you remember your conjugation of the present tense, it would be yo duermo, tú duermes, él duerme, nosotros dormimos, vosotros dormís, y ellos, ellas, ustedes duermen. Because it is a stem changing IR verb in the present tense, it also has a stem change in the preterite tense. However, the stem change in the preterite tense is only going to occur in the él, ella, usted, ellos, ellas, ustedes. Very similar to the verb pedir. If you look at the video on the conjugation of the verb pedir, it's very similar to that, but in this case it's going to be an O. The O will turn into a U in the él, ella, usted, and ellos, ellas, ustedes. So if we do the conjugation, it would be yo dormí, I slept, and tú dormiste. And when we get to the conjugation, the third person singular, él, ella, usted, this is where the stem change comes in. The O is going to stem change into a U. So, él durmió. And then we get back to nosotros. Nosotros dormimos. There is no stem change there. And then again, the vosotros dormisteis. Again, with the vosotros, you just take the tú in the preterite tense. You take the tú and add an is, and you have the vosotros dormisteis. Then we're down in the third person, in this case, the third person plural, ellos, ellas, ustedes. Again, that O is going to stem change into a U. And so we have ellos, ellas, and ustedes durmieron. Again, this is I classify it as a regular IR verb in the preterite. It's just that it has a stem change in the él, ella, usted, ellos, ellas, ustedes. Down in the bottom row, the third person conjugation, singular and plural. Again, if you were to conjugate the verb in the two-column format, the singular on the left and the plural on the right, you would see that the bottom of this conjugation, this bottom row, as I like to call or say to my students, the basement, because it's at the bottom of this conjugation house, is where the stem change occurs. Again, this O is going to turn into a U in the third person singular and in the third person plural. Again, the reason we know that dormir does this is because dormir is a stem changes in the present tense. It's an IR verb, so an IR verb that stem changes in the present tense also has a stem change in the preterite. In this case, the O turns into a U in the third person conjugation.